Hey guys, what's up? So this is going to be my first official YouTube post. Well, Simon and friends went on a wild hog or boar hunt. We never catch anything still, so I am not sure how I'm going to post the video yet or edit the video. I might do the part of the hunting first, and then we'll do the beach part after we go beach side, cook some food and eat. And today I never video much because we spend more time at chat and all kind of sit more than video. So yeah, so stay tuned for more videos. Alright,
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away, as you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away, cause every time I wake up
Courage or Maka?
Side they don't normally depend. The right hand side. Are them there? Station there?
Oh, so man them there. Like some farmer.
Like them a shoot too.
Yeah, they have money shoot.
Shoot it. Ask them still. You don't see nothing, bossy?
No, sir.
Alright, we are going to travel.
Yeah, no, bush there. Okay, that Oh. Alright. We're going to bush now. Yeah.
Reach out. Well, mind if I'm very tired. One press. Y'all need iPhone, man. The button is at the side.
We're there. I play some shoot. The last one from the last video we have. And today we see something from cooking video.
Hunting video.
Hunting video.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares, standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me one.
Roastar fry. Put it on the fire. Or chicken. Oh yeah, tell them your YouTube channel.
Southeast Spearfishing.
Alright, so check out the YouTube channel, the people. Alright. Say hi to YouTube, guys.
Go on YouTube. Go on YouTube. What?
Simon and friends out. Alright, who that? Ricky.
Yeah. Fuck off me. Wait, fuck them.